Welcome back to the art classroom. Today I'm going to go through that sketching video I've been promising you. The focus is going to be on cylinders and how to draw them. They're one of the more complex shapes, and I think the part that trips people up is the symmetry of it. So as the camera angle changes, what I've got here is just a collection of containers. Now we'll get to this one at the end later, but what I want you to notice is a few things. They're clear. If it's a clear container, it'll be easier to draw. If you go with a cylinder that's solid, it's a little bit trickier, and I'm going to explain why. Notice I'm just using some cheap manila paper. You probably haven't seen this stuff since you were in elementary school, but I have a ton of it, so that's what I'm going to use for this demonstration. This is just a regular number 2 pencil in a holder. The only reason it's in this holder is because it extends my grip just a little bit. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to sketch a line of symmetry. Now, I'm not going to try to draw this container, which is an empty yogurt container, the exact size that it is in reality, but I'm going to just try to get close. The other thing is you got to keep your focus on the object. Now, when viewed from an angle, it's an ellipse at the top and it's an ellipse at the bottom. Now, the thing about this yogurt container is it tapers. So as it comes down, all right, it's going to get narrower. Now, it also has a little foot where it comes in just a little bit. And again, this is going to be an ellipse right here. Because when you view a circle at an angle, you get an elliptical surface. So that's just a real quick down and dirty way how I would go about drawing a cylinder. Now, to extend this activity out, my advice to you would be to experiment with different things. So this was just a regular HB drawing pencil, good old number 2 pencil. Here I used a red technical pencil. This was an olive jar. When I drew the little vanilla extract bottle, I used an Inkjoy gel pen. And then lastly, this slightly more complicated. So as you kind of work through this, I did this vanilla extract bottle. I used just a red gel pen that I had. Now, down here at the end, you'll notice that I've put my name, the date, and the time. Now, I talk to my advanced students a lot about this. This is not because I'm a raging narcissist. It's because you want people to know who did it. The other thing is, I put the date so I know when I did it, if I've gotten better, if I've gotten worse. The time is because since I'm a professional artist, I try to track the time of day that I'm the most productive. And so as I look back through my drawings, if I notice I'm drawing a lot around noontime, that means it's a good creative time for me. So it's just something to do with your work to make you think about, when do I get the most done? And for some people that's early in the morning, some people it's later in the afternoon, but it's a good thing just to keep track of. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this little demonstration. It wasn't super complicated. Just grab a few cylinders out of the recycling bin or out of the kitchen cabinet and practice sketching 5 of them. Okay, it's fine. Experiment with different things. Again, pencils, pens, colored pencils. Make it entertaining. One thing I need to make you guys understand, all these assignments I'm pushing out to you are optional right now. All right, I'm just trying to keep your skills up, keep you creating, so that when we do get back in the art room, your skills aren't rusty and you've forgotten everything that you've learned all year. All right. Keep your pencil sharp, your attitude positive, and I'll catch you guys later.